Welcome to the Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest, stretching across southern Bangladesh. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a natural wonder filled with mystery, adventure, and raw beauty. The Sundarbans cover around 10,000 square kilometers and are crisscrossed by rivers, tidal waterways, and mudflats. What makes this forest unique is its ability to thrive in brackish water. It's home to a rich and complex ecosystem where salt-tolerant trees grow, and countless species depend on the land and water. The Sundarbans is most famous for the Royal Bengal Tiger, a rare and majestic creature adapted to swim and hunt in this challenging environment. You'll also find spotted deer, estuarine crocodiles, monkeys, snakes, and over 260 species of birds including kingfishers and herons. It's truly a paradise for wildlife lovers and photographers. Local communities depend on the forest for fishing, honey collection, and wood, living in harmony with nature for centuries. But the Sundarbans face serious threats: rising sea levels, cyclones, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are now more crucial than ever to protect this fragile environment. The Sundarbans is more than just a forest. It's a symbol of resilience, biodiversity, and natural beauty. Whether you're an adventurer, a researcher, or just a nature lover, the Sundarbans will leave you in awe. If you want more video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.